Welcome back with Erwin and Echo as filming the video. So we are about to how do we sanitize the surfaces on board as protocol of the company for the ship. We install always 3 hours. We need to disinfect all the surfaces. As usual, we have to use the PPE for the protection, hand gloves, and we have prepared the rags. The rag is for we don't need to spill out the chemical itself. This is the things, the tools, the protections. So we have 2 tablets here. As usual, we have to make it very fast for this video. So we have to check it is good or not. Oh, it's good. Don't put like this, like before. It's very dangerous for the health. Okay, we do faster. The tablet we have pure tab. That one. Please use the cold water for this disinfectant. It takes to the time. It has the sign on the tank also. Before leftover is like that, and then that's it. Before leftover like this. And then now I make it little bit more because we had before the leftover disinfectant liquid like this, and then we put more. Okay, that's it. And the tablet itself is easy to dilute with the water. This we are about to, and always plug the tank from the machine because it is to save the power itself and the battery, and we don't want to have the battery more for the water. So this is switch on, it's good. How we use is just like Ghostbuster. Let's go move. This is the right use about. We have to secure. What we do is to spray all the surfaces around the ship. This is all the water is used because why? Not spilling the water coming here and make the electric shock, something like that. So still we have to use this one. Okay, let's see. So the spraying mode will be all the surfaces. For example, the pond also. Like see, we try, put it on. Secure first is good. See, this coming this mist. Like this. All the thing, the wash basin of course. All the things here should be mostly the garbage, the knob, elevator. Most of the people touch. So for the one also. Area, the corridor. We need to spray all over the board. For example, the jack straw. This is the handle where the corridor. Also we can this is all about the sanitation, disinfectant for Twin Star Cruise every 3 hours. Still stay with us, Echo, and Erwin.
in the channel. Adios.